Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and save photos in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started selecting the photo that we want to use for editing. Here at the bottom of the screen, you can either access your camera roll or your photo gallery to select that photo. Once you've done that, we can go and tap on it right here and get started with editing. So as you can see at the bottom of the page, we have all the editing options such as the skin options, hairstyles and so on, from where we can get started with editing our photos and how they look like. So once you've done that, now we can get started with saving them. So basically guys, to go ahead and save, you're going to tap the save icon in the top right corner of the screen. As you can see here in the upper right corner, we have the blue save button. By clicking save, this is going to enable us to go ahead and save this photo to our photo gallery. So it's going to ask for a confirmation. FaceApp will process the photo and it will be saved to your device's local gallery or photo library. So once you're finished with adding all your desired effects, just go back right here to the home page, click the save button, and it's going to enable you to save any photo you want to your gallery, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.